He started with $0 and a single typewriter, and somehow built a billion-dollar life. It sounds like something out of a movie, right? But it's a completely true story. So, how did he pull it off? First, he wrote, and I don't mean tweets or quick social media posts. I mean actual pages every single night. He was typing until dawn, learning the market by actually doing the work, not just dreaming about it. Second, he started trading his words for deals. Those early letters he was typing, they turned into popular newsletters. The newsletters attracted readers who turned into customers, and those customers became the foundation of a real, thriving business. Third, he stayed stubbornly cheap. You wouldn't find him in a flashy office. He was all about the grind, reinvesting every penny and showing up with insane consistency. That slow, steady hustle eventually stacked up into something truly monstrous. From $0 and a typewriter to billionaire status, it's powerful proof that even the smallest tools, combined with relentless work, can completely rewrite your life. So, let me ask you, what would you start with if you had nothing? Let me know in the comments below. Follow for more wild origin stories and amazing truths. Thanks for watching.